We take pride in ensuring every snack meets our high-quality standards, bringing you the best from our modern facility.
Safety and quality are our top priorities. We're proud of the work we do here every day.
Balancing the richness of the chocolate with the wholesome grains and nuts is key to the perfect flavor profile. It's a precise science.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Our team meticulously checks seals and weights, ensuring only the highest quality products reach your home.
Every package undergoes meticulous inspection. From seal integrity to precise weight, we ensure only the best leaves our facility.
We hope you've enjoyed this look behind the scenes. We're incredibly proud of the quality and care that goes into every product.